I'll do.
A little video that I've put together to explain how you can use a new functionality that we've added to our website. So it's specifically for subscribers to the Memoori website. And you can see here that we're on the homepage at the moment. So I'm going to describe to you how you can set up email alerts if you're a subscriber. And those email alerts can be based on, for example, keywords like specific technologies that you want to track, or perhaps other vendors, competitors in your space that you want to track as well. I'm going to show you how to set that up. Super simple. So from the home page, if you aren't logged into your account, it would say log in. You can click that and then sign in. I'm already logged in, so I can go straight to my account page. This is where you will land if you log in. On the left-hand side, you can see my alerts. So if we click on that, that takes us to the kind of admin console where you can set up your keywords and alerts. And we make some suggestions about things that you may want to track. If I click on this one and press the search button there, we'll give you kind of like an alert preview of what kind of content you might want to expect. So yeah, that's kind of an easy way of testing whether it's something that you would want to subscribe to and get in an email. I'm going to pick something of my own. Again, I get the alert preview. So I'll go ahead and say that I definitely want to receive an alert based on that. And then I can choose what kind of frequency that I want to receive that information. So it could be daily, monthly, or in this case, I want to choose weekly. And weekly emails are sent every Friday. So when I click now, create alert, you'll see here that it's created an alert for that specific keyword that I wanted to track. Then, as if by magic, I can go to my emails, and this is the kind of email that I've received that gives me the information, and obviously all the links are clickable and take you to that specific information. So yeah, thank you. Hope that's useful, and you're able to set up alerts based on what information you want to receive. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then please do. You can do that here, memoori.com subscription. Thanks a lot.